I talk to customers all the time that said, oh, I didn't know you guys had heat. I thought you just had light towers and man lifts.
We support remote projects all over the nation. Some of the most remote areas in the U.S. People need heat where there's no power, there's no infrastructure, there's no natural gas, there's no civilization.
So we have heaters from 600,000 BTU on up through 4.2 million BTU.
Sunbelt Rentals Industrial Heat works with its vendors to develop a Sunbelt spec custom engineered product. You can't get it off the shelf.
We can pretty much offer a customer anything that they need in regards to their heating solutions, anywhere from the mines to the oil field to the poultry industry.
The customer needs heat in some form to heat a surface, to heat air, to heat a process. They describe a problem to us. We've seen these problems over and over and over again. We know exactly what needs to be mobilized and quickly, regardless of the size of structure, the size of the process.
Sunbelt has, done a wonderful job. They've got good equipment. We've never had any complaints from our people on the equipment and the service.
Safety is a huge issue as far as the oil field's concerned. Really bad things can happen if you don't do everything right.
These guys want to go the extra mile, making sure it's efficient. Things were laid out good, the hoses were laid out from a safety standpoint. People didn't have to trip over them, walk across them.
Customers call us at all hours of the night. We have staff on duty 24/7 during the winter months to respond to customers' questions, technical issues, application support, and we deploy our technicians nationwide 24/7.
I've gotten a call in the middle of the night at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I've talked the customer through it, and if I couldn't talk him through it, then I just loaded up and went out to the job site to help him.
Back about a couple of years ago, the state of Iowa was infected with the HPAI virus. It started migrating and infiltrating all the egg farms throughout the state. The USDA called us in along with a contractor to come up with a protocol to assist with the eradication of this virus. In the time frame of about 48 hours, in excess of 200 trucks were mobilized, which included 364 assets. They were operational within 72 hours.
It makes the other companies out there have to pick up their service. So that's a pat on the back for Sunbelt.
We're going to be there when we say we're going to be there. Our machines are going to be clean and efficient at working, that our customer service is not going to be lacking.
I love the challenge to get everything coordinated and out the door and make sure everything's firing on all cylinders.
There's no job too small, no job too large. If it's important to the customer, we can make it happen.